Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best InteVision foam bed wedge pillow on the market. This wedge pillow is designed to provide exceptional comfort and support, making it ideal for anyone dealing with acid reflux, post-surgery recovery, or snoring issues. The InteVision foam bed wedge pillow measures 26 by 25 by 7.5 inches and comes with an additional headrest pillow, both topped with a 2-inch layer of cooling gel memory foam. This 2-layer design features a firm base foam that provides stability and support, while the memory foam layer adds a soft, cooling touch for ultimate comfort. The headrest is adjustable, allowing you to customize the height to better support your neck and head. One standout feature of this wedge pillow is its bamboo cover, made from a blend of 50% viscose derived from bamboo and 50% polyester. This material is breathable and washable, helping keep the pillow cool and fresh throughout the night. The cooling gel memory foam also helps regulate temperature, which is a great benefit for those who tend to overheat while sleeping. Functionally, this pillow is designed to elevate the upper body, which can help alleviate symptoms related to acid reflux and snoring by promoting better breathing. It's also an excellent choice for patients who need to sleep in an elevated position after surgery. The incline reduces pressure on the back and supports spinal alignment, contributing to a more comfortable and restful sleep. Aside from medical benefits, the wedge can also ease back pain by providing gentle elevation and support. The pillow's firm base keeps it from flattening out over time, ensuring long-lasting use. Additionally, the adjustable headrest makes it versatile enough to be used not only for sleeping but also for lounging or reading in bed. The InteVision wedge pillow is lightweight, weighing just over 3 pounds, making it easy to move around or adjust as needed. It's not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing with its clean, white bamboo cover. For those interested in extra accessories, there's an optional 400 thread count Egyptian cotton pillowcase available separately, which complements the pillow nicely and adds a touch of luxury. In summary, the InteVision foam bed wedge pillow stands out because of its thoughtful design combining firm support with a cooling memory foam top, adjustable headrest, and breathable bamboo cover. It's a multifunctional product aimed at improving sleep quality for people with specific health needs or anyone seeking enhanced comfort. If you're looking for a reliable wedge pillow that balances comfort, support, and durability, this InteVision model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.